Hello guys, today I'll be making a video about I bought a book from Connaught Place in New Delhi, India, and like that place is where my mother's sister, or as in Hindi we call it Mossi, lives. It's right like 20th of May 2026, 11:45 p.m. Yes, I know I should sleep, so this is a packaging. Let's unbox. This is MOSSAD, more like Israeli secret service, great missions of Israeli secret service by Micheal, Bar-Zohar and Nissim, Mishal. Good. This book tells what should have been known and isn't. That Israel hidden force is as formidable as its recognized physical strength. By Shimon Peres, former Israeli president. Oh, nice. Now let me just take up this wrapping. How do I take this wrapping? Oh, yes. This bond I take. And then. Okay. Here it goes. Okay. Almost page 12. Yeah. Oh, the smell of new books. All this makes me kind of excited. So I'll read it in school and whatever. Not. I will complete it and give you the review sometime later. Guys, thank you for watching the video. This is a very quick unboxing video of a book, like 2 minutes. Thank you guys.